Alright, welcome to the new release video of Supercheck. In this version, I will be showing the new feature which lets you fix your failed playwright test with AI. So we'll see that. Now, if you don't know what Supercheck is, go to this website. You will find a GitHub link, and you will see a few videos which will show you how to install it and give you the overview. So I'll not go through that again. I'll just focus on AI fix feature here. So let me also take this opportunity to show you how to record a test using Chrome extension. We have not done that. So if you come to quick create section, you will see this record button. If you click on it, it give you this Chrome extension. You install it. I already have it installed, so we will use that. Now if I open a new tab, click on this extension, so it gives you this window where you will see all your tests being recorded. It gives you the script. So let's go to I'll record supercheck.io. So now you see it has navigated to supercheck.io. Now it gives you this toolbar where you have few options. First one is to record, stop recording. Second is to pick a locator. Third is to assert visibility of element. This one assert text, and yeah, there are a few more. So now let's see, once website is loaded, we'll just check if element is visible. So we'll see if this button is visible. So I am going to click on it, and on the right side you will see the step will be added in the script. All right, so that's done. Let's also see if this text is visible. So let's click here. It gives you this pop-up where you can edit the text, but this looks good to me, so I am okay with this. Now you'll see another step is added here, and let's do a few more. So let's validate this text also. It's fine. And the last one, I'm just going to do area snapshot. So Playwright gives you this feature where you can just, let's take full page. So I'm going to click on it, and what it will do, it will create a YAML structure for the page areas accessibility snapshot. This is Playwright specific thing. So let me do that, and then let me stop the recording now. So this is our script. These are all the actions. Let me maximize this. These are all the actions. This is the last one which I said, area snapshot. So it gives you the YAML structure for the page. So all right, so let me now copy this script and go to, now let me close this, go to create, and so when you load a test, it gives you a boilerplate template with some test. I'm going to delete all this. Yeah, you can delete the comment. I'll just keep this much and then paste what we just recorded. All right, now I'm going to run this, and let's see if it passes. All right, so it has passed, and we already saw this in other video that it gives you this report with the screenshot, traces, and the video. All right, so all good. So I'm going to close this. Now let's see if, suppose if front-end developer decides to change some locators on the UI, which is a common case which makes your test brittle. So I'm going to simulate some failures. So first one is I change the button name from checkout live demo to check demo. So this should fail. Let's make few more failures. In the area snapshot, let's change the YouTube link. So I'm going to add fail. So this is not the valid link. This should fail. And let's also change demo fail dot this domain does not exist, so this should also fail. All right, these 3 failures are enough. Let's run this. It takes some time. So it took 17 seconds. All right, so let's see the report. So yeah, it failed on the first locator, which because we changed from checkout live demo to checkout demo. So that's what it's complaining. So all right, now when test fails, you will see this AI fix button. This will only be visible when test fails. So you can press it. I'm going to press it, and this will make a call to LLM, and we'll see the response from LLM, and we should have ability to um, reject and accept the change. So let me show you that. Let's press this. Now currently app is using OpenAI. Uh, we can extend it to use Anthropic and Gemini, but currently app only uses OpenAI. So all right, so it has given us the AI based fix. It gives us this score. It says it is 70% confident about the fix. It also gives you some description of what it has fixed, and you can see here this in red it's the original code, and the green one is AI fixed. So you can see it here. On the left, this is the original script. So also what it does is it also enhances the script. Not only it fixes it, if it sees that some best practices are missing, it will try to add that also. So that's what it has done. It thinks that get by label, it's better to use get by role instead of get by label. So that this is an enhancement. Um, it has fixed that Supercheck fail which we added. It fixed the domain. AI has fixed it. It has also removed this fail from the URL. Uh, but it did not fix this live demo. So it did not fix it. Uh, probably if we use the more powerful model, this will. Let me accept it. And now let me show you the model which we are using. So if I go to alright, so I just wanted to show you the few new environmental variables which we need to set for this AI feature to work. So first is AI provider. So currently you see OpenAI here. So app only supports OpenAI for now, but we can use Anthropic, Gemini, and other LLM provider in future. So but for now only OpenAI is supported. And you will see this is the model which we are using. So for now we are using GPT-4o mini, but you can change it. If you want GPT-5, you can use this model. So the failure which we saw, if we would have used GPT-5, that would have resolved it because this is more intelligent model. So you can change that, and you can get your open API key and provide them here. Also you will see that there are few more you have ability to read this from environmental variables also. So if you create a .env file or wherever you are hosting this, if that platform supports environment variables, you can read them from there, or by default you can provide your key here. There is a AI timeout. So now depending on which model you are using, some of them are reasoning model like GPT-5. It can take longer. It is a thinking model, so it can take longer to answer the query. So you can change this time. So you can change it to up to 120 seconds. By default this is 91.5 minutes. And then there is a AI max retries. So it can it can do up to 3 retry. So set that accordingly. And then there is AI temperature. So this you can set from 0 to 1. The lesser the value, it is more deterministic, more correct answer it will provide. The higher the value, it will give you more random and more creative answers. So for the coding, the lesser is better. So that's 0.1. But yeah, if you want to tweak this, you can change this also. So yeah, these are the new variables. Let me also show you on the OpenAI platform. If you come to sign up for the platform, get your keys and then create new keys here in the APIs key section, give it a name and then you can create it. um, Also, if you sign up now, they do have some offer. So if you share your data with them, they give you a lot of free tokens. So I'll show you my usage. I've been testing it from last few days, and you can see I've only spent one 366k tokens. um, Most of them are input tokens, which are again cheaper, but I have not spent any money on it. All of them uh, are the free tokens which OpenAI has provided. So yeah, and I think if you click on this, it also tells you that all the models which I have used so far. So I've used GPT-4o mini, GPT-5 mini, 5 nano. Surprisingly, even GPT-5 nano, which is very cheap, gave me good results. And this is GPT-5. So let me also show you this pricing. So if you go to OpenAI platform pricing page, you see this, and this is the model which by default we are using, GPT-4o mini. It costs 15 cent for per million tokens and 60 cent per output token. Again, if you need a more powerful model, you can use GPT-5, but it costs much more. Like I said, this is a thinking model, so this is going to cost you more. It is going to be slower, but it is going to be more intelligent. But most of the time, GPT-4o mini will get job done. So I'll suggest you use that. You can use GPT-5 mini also, which also gives good result. It's slightly costlier, but this is also a good model. So this is the reason why it could not fix that. If you use a powerful model, it will work. So if I change this to live and if I run it again, hopefully the other two issues which AI fixed. Yeah, so this is fixed now. So AI has fixed it, the other two issue. Now let's see if it can, the same model can fix the API test. So this is the API test, the boilerplate test which you get. I'm going to change few things. So let me run this first and show you that it works fine. Okay, so all of them are working. Now let me fail few of them. So this is the first test. It it expects, it validates the output of this API. It should be in this format. So I'm going to change it. Instead of 1, I'm going to say 10. Instead of 1 here, I'm going to say 18, and going to put some gibberish in between. So this should fail. Let's fail the other one also. So instead of 200, 201, I'm going to say this should return 200 response. So this will also fail. Yeah, let's just keep these two failures. So two tests will fail. Let's run this. Okay, so two tests have failed. Let's see the first one. All right, so it says this is what it was expecting and this is what it has got. So that's why it has failed. Let's see the other one which failed. All right, so it says that it was expecting HTTP 200, but 201, but it got 200. So it has failed. Now let's fix this with AI. Let's see if GPT 4o mini can fix this. Okay, so we have got the response from AI. It says 70% confident. It tells you some fixes which it has done in plain English. Now let's see the code. So this is the earlier code. So it has fixed it. So this was 10, now it is 1 now. Same response. I think this has fixed it, and 200 is now changed to 201. So everything looks good. This should pass. So I'm going to accept and apply. This should have applied the new script in the editor. Now I'm going to run this. Alright, so all the tests have passed. So AI has successfully fixed the test. Now you can go ahead and save it. It will be available in test. I'll not go through that workflow. Now let me show you the database test also. So this is a database test. It connects to this publicly hosted Postgres database and it just queries few things. So let's run this first. Okay, so it's working fine. So I'll fail. Let's see what we can fail. So I'm looking for expect. So yeah. All right. So this all right. Let's fail this. So what it does is it's checking if the database name is correct, this public database, and then the username is the same which we are connecting. So I'm going to add fail here, same here. So this will fail. This is going to be failed. So let's run this. Okay, so this has failed. Let's see. So yeah, the first assertion failed. It says this does not match the expected string. So I'm again going to fix it with the AI. So a call is being made to OpenAI. It's passing all the context, this error context, and the script, and LLM will should be able to fix this. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if it has fixed it. All right, so it seems it has fixed it. It has also added a comment. So yeah, this is correct. I'm going to accept it and run this. All right, so it passed. So yeah, we saw AI fixed browser test, API test, database test. There's one more thing I wanted to show you when the test fails. So there is another way of fixing the test. So let me fix this. So let me make this API test. I'll take this as example. So this is going to fail. We have changed the expected response. Let's run this. Okay, so this has failed. So what Playwright gives you is it gives you this copy prompt. So instead of, if you don't suppose you're using GPT-4o mini, which is a cheaper model, like most of the time it will work, but sometime it will struggle. So instead of changing the model for the app itself, whenever it fails, I would suggest you do this. So you go open the report, copy this prompt, and then make a call to ChatGPT or Claude. So let's take Claude. So I'm going to open Claude. Let's use Sonnet. It's fine. So I'm just going to paste what I just copied. So I'm just going to paste. I'm not going to tell it anything else. I'm just going to paste it. And let's see what it does. So this is another way of fixing the script. If in the app you are using the LLM which is cheaper and less intelligent to optimize the cost, you can do this. So you can see that this also gave you the correct answer. So and it gave you the correct. This is correct. So it gave you the correct code. So you can copy this, go back to Playground, and if you just paste this should also work. Okay. You can do the same thing with the. Alright, so it worked. Okay, so this is the prompt which we just sent to Claude. So you can see this comes from Playwright. This is what we copied, and it has all the instructions. So it has instruction for the LLM, it has the script, response. So LLM has enough context to identify the issue and fix it. So that's why we don't need a powerful LLM. Even a LLM with less intelligence can fix this, because this prompt has everything it needs. So that's why I'm suggesting we use GPT-4o Mini. All right, so this is another way. If for some reason the inbuilt AI fix button does not work because you're using less intelligent LLM, you can open Claude or ChatGPT, copy paste the prompt, and it will give you the correct script. All right, thank you.